Foam and rubber gaskets provide reliable alternatives to wax rings for sealing a toilet base without the mess or deformation issues wax can cause. Foam and rubber gaskets create a compressible but resilient seal between the toilet flange and the horn of the toilet that resists deformation from floor movement. Choose a gasket material rated for toilet use and ensure its thickness matches the distance from the finished floor to the flange face. Many foam gaskets come with removable rings to shorten them or a tapered design to fit different flange heights. When installing, first shut off water and remove the old toilet, clean the flange of debris and old sealant, and inspect the flange for cracks or corrosion because a damaged flange will compromise any seal. Center the gasket evenly over the flange, making sure any integrated bolt slots align with the flange bolts. Then, lower the toilet straight down using a slow rocking motion to compress the gasket uniformly rather than shifting it sideways. After the toilet is seated, torque the bolts by alternating sides in small increments until snug to avoid cracking the porcelain and to compress the gasket evenly. Do not over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the water supply. Fill the tank and flush several times while checking for leaks at the base and at the water supply connection to confirm a proper seal. Common mistakes include choosing the wrong gasket thickness, which leads to leaks or a toilet that wobbles. So measure the flange height first and pick a gasket that compensates for the gap, or use an adjustable flange adapter to correct the height. Another frequent issue is improper flange condition. If the flange is cracked, corroded, or recessed, the gasket will fail. So repair or replace the flange, or use a flange extender before installing the gasket. Third, over-tightening the toilet bolts can crack the bowl or compress the gasket unevenly. Tighten bolts alternately until the toilet is stable and use a level to confirm even seating. Then seal the base with a bead of caulk only at the rear to discourage splashes while allowing future removal. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and lets contractors find work by posting projects and responding to homeowner requests. We also host a discussion community where users share real installation tips and product experiences related to toilet seals and other home projects.